Hi again folks, how's all doing? No, this is not a locomotive off eBay. This is something a bit different actually. This is a box of goodies that have been sent by someone called Peter. I think he's also sending me a couple of locomotives to look at, but he's also sent me what's in here as a gift or a donation. So I'm very, very excited and very curious to see what's in here. So first of all, thanks very much Peter, hugely appreciated. I just hope the locomotives that you're sending me aren't a complete nightmare to work on. So let's get into this and see what we've got. I am seeing on the top here, I don't know if you can see, but I'm seeing an old Hornby Catalogue, which is quite exciting. I haven't seen one of these for a while. I had all the Hornby Catalogues from, I think, 75 to 80, I think. And the two I remember, I don't think this is one of them, oh actually it might be. The two that I remember the most, one was it was all black and it had a maroon ginty on the front. I think that was 78 if I remember rightly. Oh, I do remember this one. And there was one that had rocket on the front and two other locomotives. I can't quite remember. So let's have a look. Come on, let me get in here. Let me just put this parcel down a bit at the moment. There's a blast from the past. So this is double scale model catalogue number 22, Hornby Railways, 1976. Yeah, I did have this one. This is in very good condition actually from 1976. There's the Evening Star on, oh no, it's Britannia on the front. Do you know what, I'm not going to look inside this at the moment. I think I'll maybe do that as a separate wee video. Whether I put it on YouTube or put it on Buy Me a Coffee, I'm not too sure, but I'm just going to yeah, that's going to be a real nostalgic trip to look at that. So thanks very much Peter for that. We'll put that somewhere safe just now. Right, what else we got in the box? We have some tunnel mouths. I'm not sure I'll ever build another tunnel for a while, but thank you very much. You never know, you just never know when you might need these things. So that's cool. What we got? Chainlink security fencing. Excellent. Brilliant. I was going to get some of that because I want to put some of that behind my engine shed when I get it. So fantastic. Thanks very much for that. What else we got? Some cab crews. That's cool. I'll need to get some paints because I've got another set of these. And there's a couple of locomotives I would really like to put these in, so again, that's brilliant. Bit of Ritz cardboard, I'm really joking. What we've got, kitchen roll, more cardboard. What's in here? Oh, a little Great Western 040. Wow, Peter, thank you very much, that really is kind. That's a lovely little thing. I don't have any GWR stock, so I'm going to have to get some now. I have to get some GWR rolling stock. Excellent. So we shall look at that in a separate video. And what have we got here? A little Southern 040. Wow, I'm really branching out here. Oh, that's got sellotape over it. That's not good. It's got a loose coupling there. But I can sort that sellotape out later. These are relatively new, the made in China ones, so they should be nice, quiet running little guys. Not so good over the points and crossings, but thank you very much. And what else have we got? A little Flatline. Fantastic. I really want to build up more goods, but it's, you know, buying goods rolling stock's really quite a bit an expensive thing to do, you know, to get a reasonable amount of it. It soon mounts up, and that's great. And then what's in here? Oh, a couple of little coaches, Southern Railway and Great Western, so they will go with the 040s. Fabulous. Then we've got a jiffy bag here. Wait a minute, let's get this kitchen roll out of the way. We've got a jiffy bag. And what's a kit? What's a kit of? An engine shed. Ah, now, you see, this will be interesting actually, because I'm working on an engine shed at the moment, but that's very interesting because the size of these, you know, they're quite small. I wonder. That's given me food for thought. Thank you very much. What else we got? Another Dapple kit. It's a water tower. That I will definitely build. Because the only water tower I've got is the Hornby one from the 1970s, you know, the sort of the brick one with the big grey tank on the top, which I never liked. Also, it looked really, really false. But that I can make, you know, look really, really rusted and have some fun making that quite detailed. That's great, thanks. A couple of things left. We've got, what is that? Looks like little sheds or something. Yeah. A couple little trackside sheds, and I don't know if these are gradient signs or, I think that's a gradient sign. These are all great, you know. I will definitely add these to the layout. I've kind of neglected doing stuff to my layout recently, but you know, I've been so caught up doing repairs. But I will definitely be getting back into it in the very near future, actually. And that's another bag of gradient signs and stuff. And then finally, what looks like a roll of cling film is, what is it? Oh, old flat wagons. Lose a couple and come off. God, I remember that from the 70s. Do you know, I always wanted one of them when I saw them in the Hornby Catalogue. Brilliant. And this is stuck. I think it's another one of those flat wagons with the containers on the top, which is really, really good. Having two of those is just great. So, that's it. God, that was like Christmas all over again in 1976. So Peter, massive thank you. That is a really super generous donation. Dead chuffed with that. We will do videos on both these locomotives, and what I think we'll do for a bit of fun, we'll do a video looking through this catalogue, because that really is going to be a trip down memory lane. And yeah, I'm going to have fun with some of that rolling stock and those kits and that security fencing. Dead chuffed with that. Peter, thank you again, and catch you later, folks. I promise I'm not going to look at this. We'll look at this together in a video. Okay. Just one last thing before I go. John, who sent me the Replica Railways Lady Margaret Hall locomotive recently, sent me this as a little donation along with it. It's a Replica Railways composite coach in Southern Railways livery, which was very generous of him, so thanks very much to John for this. This is the first, I would imagine, of my Southern Railways coaches, and at some point I'll get some great Western Railways coaches as well. Number one on my priority list really for coaches is some BR Maroons. I want two composite and a brake BR Maroon coaches. I've been chasing after those on eBay for a while. So if you've got some two composite and a brake BR Maroon coaches that you don't want anymore or willing to sell, whatever, please bung us an email and we'll have a conversation. Right, okay, catch you later folks.